let's take a look at how we can add tipping to our online booking schedules. We're going to click to the left, go to View Edit Schedules, and I'm going to add tipping to the axe throwing, so we'll edit that. Click on General here, scroll to the bottom, and there's a checkbox, Allow Tipping. We can add a tip amount, so let's do 10, 20, 30. We will save it. And now when we go view our schedule here, we're going to see those tipping amounts are now allowed. So we'll choose 1 hour and put in my name. And we have a little don't carry cash. Want to add gratuity? Absolutely. Let's add 20%. Gratuity amount will go against the total axe throwing. And we will put in our test credit card and check out. And that's all there is to it. Thank you.